we're excited, and those two regions outside of the US, Latin America and Middle East, continue to be of great interest. And with every system that we deliver out there, we get more inbound inquiries about, hey, I've seen the systems, I've seen them operating in the region now. I would like to go and take a look at this as well. So I think that's testament to the capabilities of what these bring.
All right, welcome back inside our proactive newsroom. And joining me now is Philip Stratman. He is the CEO of Ocean Power Technologies. And Philip, welcome back. Good to see you again.
Yeah, good to see you, Steve. Thanks for having me on.
Yeah, well, we've been talking all over the last couple of months just about all the movement the company has made. A lot of deals have been signed, new areas have been entered as far as territory is concerned, and it's been a relatively, in fact, it's been a very busy summer for the company. So thought it'd be a great opportunity to get back and talk a little bit about this as we head into the fall. So obviously, you've made a lot of announcements this summer, Philip.
Yeah, I think we've had a really busy summer. It's hard to believe that we're pretty much into September. We made lots of announcements earlier in the summer on bookings and deals we've won, and we've been busy working away on making sure we have systems ready for delivery for our customers. So it's been exciting.
Yeah. Middle East obviously has been a big topic of discussion between you and I over the last couple of months. US government as well, Latin America. I mean, there's a lot of areas around the world that have been talked about by yourself.
I think over the summer, we said there was a buoy that we were going to deliver to the Middle East. It's sitting here at the facility now. It's waiting for its final factory acceptance test, and then it'll be heading out there. So I think that's great. We've had several vehicles out operating various exercises for the US government. We've been busy doing survey work for our customers in Latin America. And just 2 weeks ago, we had Latin American customers on both sides of the coast of the United States witnessing buoy demos, vehicle manufacturing capabilities, and then vehicle development capabilities that we have on the West Coast. So we're excited, and those two regions outside of the US, Latin America and Middle East, continue to be of great interest. And with every system that we deliver out there, we get more inbound inquiries about, hey, I've seen the systems, I've seen them operating in the region now. I would like to go and take a look at this as well. So I think that's testament to the capabilities of what these bring.
How important has those kind of tests been that just to create that sort of word of mouth about what you're doing in order to get deals like this signed, and obviously ones that are going to hopefully sign within the fall as well?
I think it is vital. We've said this in the past, but nothing beats customers being able to either see the system transmitting data when it is tens, hundreds, thousands of miles away, and they can see something in the water off the coast of New Jersey, whilst you're sitting in Dubai demonstrating it to them, from a laptop screen. Nothing beats being on a boat and seeing one of our WAM-V vehicles autonomously follow the observation boat that we're on and doing, 180-degree turns on a dime when we're putting it into tank mode during the steering. And the other thing it does when you start delivering these, as we are, to the customers out in the field, it removes the stigma that part of these systems have as being R&D toys. These are real systems delivering real cost savings and real benefits and real carbon savings to our customers and our real force multipliers. And that just completely changes the perception. So yeah, we are very excited about more partnerships, more reseller agreements, more commercial deals coming up in the very near future.
Yeah, and is that the strategy moving forward? You've obviously had success over the last couple of months by, as you mentioned, those partnerships, the reseller agreements specifically, and others as well. So is that going to continue to be the strategy moving forward for the company?
Yeah, where there is a need for us to work directly with the end customer, we would obviously do that. But we accept the fact that we want to play well with others. Most of these projects, and I think we've spoken about this before, have more than just us involved. And therefore, there's always going to be an integrator sitting in between us and the end customer. So we like working with them because they bring to bear contract management skills. They bring together project integration skills. So we will continue working with them. And we like having a network of partners that we work with globally. We can't be everywhere all at once, but what we can do is have trusted partners that we like working with, that understand our system, that can go and deliver to the end customer. And then when need be, we'll step in and work with them to enhance their capabilities, and that kind of train the trainer approach.
Well, as I mentioned, it's been a pretty busy last couple of months, and it sounds like the next few are going to be equally as tasking for you also. But Philip, thanks so much. Good to see you again, and we'll talk soon, okay?
Yeah, thank you, Steve. Thanks for having us on.
All right, Philip Stratman, the CEO of Ocean Power Technologies.